Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to take a screenshot in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on power button and volume up button. Okay, then press and this screenshot and crop your screenshot and customize, and this option, pen option, just click and customize all option, and this customize delete, and just tap on done option and click on save photos. Okay, then check, tap on photos and scroll down, then this photo in your iPhone home screen screenshot. That's all to take a screenshot in iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and